Dating is an experience, and one that stimulates numerous feelings as you fearlessly put yourself out there: hope, elation, disappointment, anxiety, aggravation, enthusiasm. If you're proceeding after a divorce, or you've been single however you're back on the apps for the first time in a while, this psychological roller coaster definitely consists of some extra twists and turns when you're a mommy. If you're a single mother simply beginning to date again, don't start until you're ready. Dating and the possibility of rejection that features it can test even those with unbreakable self-confidence. So before you publish a profile or state yes to that coffee date, wait until you're sure you're strong enough to manage the problems, the ghosting, and other potentially bad behavior out there, says Lucy Good, founder of Beanstalk, an online community for single moms. You'll wish to make sure you're fully recovered from your separation, and that any choices you'll be making will originate from a place of self-love. Don't do it until both you and your children remain in a serene location. Excellent ads. This material is imported from Poll. You might be able to discover the same material in another format, or you might be able to discover more info at their website. While your kids will constantly be at the top of your list, you should not feel bad for desiring an adult individual life of your own. While this may sound worthy, kids discover a lot by observation, and it doesn't teach kids what a good relationship or dating life looks like. I never ever wanted my kids to choose to remain house due to the fact that they fretted about me being lonesome, Lillibridge continues. It's crucial that kids do not feel accountable for their mama's social life. As you popular, children are a curious bunch. Depending upon their age, acting deceptive may just bring more questions. There's no reason to hide the truth that you've chosen to begin dating, according to Lene St. John, a qualified sex coach whose work includes therapy parents on sex ed. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like.